Hey there, fabulous people! Ready to transform your look into a runway-ready masterpiece? Grab your pink robe and let's dive right in. First things first, hair prep. Don't skip the heat protectant spray and serum to keep that hair healthy and frizz-free. And remember, regular trims every 8-10 weeks are a must, even if your hair growth feels slow. Now, onto that bouncy blowout. I'm using the Dyson Airwrap today, but any good tool will do with a bit of patience. Start with the brush attachment for smoothing, then switch to the barrel for those luscious curls. Curl away from your face, hold for a few seconds, and release. A spritz of hairspray to hold it all in place, and you're golden. Optional step rollers. They're not the best, but they can add some extra volume. Clip them up and out of the way while you work on other sections. Time for some skin prep. Hydrating cream and glow drops are your best friends for that model-esque glow. Blend it well for a flawless base. Next, let's tackle those brows. Enhance your natural shape and conceal underneath for a clean look. Think fluffy, full brows, that's the goal. For the base makeup, go with a lightweight foundation, a shade or two lighter than your skin tone for brightening. Follow up with bronzer on the cheeks and the perimeter of your face. Blush time. Apply a cream blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend well. Use concealer on the high points for added brightness, blending seamlessly. Set everything with translucent powder, focusing on the under eye area using a triangle puff. Contour those cheekbones to achieve that sculpted look models are famous for. Now, onto the eyes. Use a warm bronzy eyeshadow with some coral or pink tones. Blend it well and highlight the inner corners and brow bone. For a subtle smoky wing, use black eyeshadow or liner on the outer half of your lid, extending slightly beyond the eye. Finish with mascara to emphasize those full lashes. Lips next. Slightly overline them with a liner, choosing a shade close to your natural lip color or a bit pinker. Apply 2 glosses, a darker shade on the outer edges and a lighter one in the center. Finish everything off with a spritz of hairspray to lock in your look. And there you have it. You've achieved the supermodel look in just 3 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media for more fabulous tips. Stay gorgeous.